Hi all, this is My British Computer Guy here with a quick Amazon Black Friday deal breakdown on the Adresuno and BTF Lighting WS2812B RGB LED strips. Now, I've shown in a previous video the Adresuno are typically my favourite LEDs, and right now there's some cracking deals on the Adresunos. As you can see here, I've got the comparable BTF Lighting WS2812Bs next to the Adresunos, and there's about $11 difference right now if you're buying on the Black Friday deal. That's a great deal, especially if you're buying a lot of these. I highly recommend the Adresuno. They have the copper bracket, they have the gold wires, so they're pretty much identical in every way. They're just cheaper. The other ones I wanted to show you real quick were the what I call the high definition LEDs. Now they're also much cheaper on Adresuno than they are on BTF. So the 144 LEDs per meter. For some reason BTF is showing at 3.3 feet. It's actually a 3.2 foot strip with 144 LEDs. Right now the Adresuno is only $10.91, which is much cheaper than the $17.59 that BTF Lighting has their LEDs for. So once again, a great deal on the Adresuno. I would highly recommend this particular brand over the BTF Lighting. Now, just so you know, this is not a paid review. This is just my opinion, and this is I bought quite a few of these LED strips, and I've bought both of these in the past, and honestly, the Adresuno win hands down on price. Quality is identical. I can't see any discernible difference between the two LED strips. Last of all, I want to share with you something I noticed on the chips. So I've been buying these ESP32Ss on the right hand side of the screen here with the integrated wireless antenna. Now unfortunately these chips don't tend to have very good range, and I think it's got something to do with the fact that the antenna is baked onto the PCB. Now if you look at the ESP32Ds on the left hand side of the screen, you'll see that they actually have an overhanging wireless antenna, and I'm about to post a video do a range test video which is coming up here in the next few days to go ahead and show you kind of the ranges that these get. And honestly, by far these are the best value for money, and they have really good range, probably about 20 to 30 feet more than the ESP32Ss on the right hand side. But this is just a quick video. I wanted to show you some of my Black Friday deals that I found, and as I say, the AI Trip 3-piece kit for the ESP32Ds, they're great. They're a couple of bucks more than the regular ESP32Ss, but in my opinion they're highly worth it, and they seem to be a lot more reliable. And going back to the LED strips, the high definition version I would say is definitely the way to go right now for only $10.91 over the BTFs at $17.59. And the 16.4 feet 300 LED strips, the Adresuno seriously wins hands down over the BTF Lighting alternative. Both offer great brightness, great quality. They all have the copper bracket and the gold wires, so really there's no discernible difference other than the price. I say right now, if you're buying for Black Friday, you're getting them about $11 cheaper per roll on the Adresuno, so highly recommend these. Links to all these products are down in the description below, so if you're more of a BTF Lighting fan, there are links down there for those. If you want the Adresuno, then there are links there for those as well. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon for notifications of future videos, and I'll keep them coming. And if I notice any other really good deals, I will let you know. But everybody have a great Thanksgiving, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye bye.